Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video for the RadioMaster MT12 we're going to take a look at producing custom sounds. Now if you've been watching my video series on this radio, on the MT12, you would have seen that sometimes sounds come up and if you look on your radio you may not be able to find them. That's because I made the sounds myself. So I'm going to direct you to a link below that you can go to that will show you how to make custom sounds. So I'm not going to reproduce that video for every radio, but just for new people who coming into, because normally I make videos for model aeroplanes and for drones, but now people coming for cars may not know that they can make these custom sounds. So I'm now directing you to that website so you can actually check the video out and make the sounds for yourself. Well, I hope you found this useful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below because I'd love to hear from you. Happy driving. Bye for now.